Danny here, Xdrift Industries. Well, this afternoon we're going to have a look at our V2 Subframe. We've decided to get this into the car before the first round. It should offer some exciting upgrades, and let's have a look at one of our tricky little solutions to side by the tow arms. So we've spent a fair bit of time trial assembly. We've put the diff in it, we've put the axles in it, we've tightened everything up, and we've made sure that there's no binding or like any sort of clearance problems. So that's all checked out all right. We've now pulled the diff out and we've spent some time squaring everything up. Prior to that, we spent a fair bit of time with these brackets in here. These are our toe adjusters. So basically what we, with the first subframe, we tried to develop the frame so it had very little toe and camber change. This time around we've learned that we actually need to be able to set up a little bit of toe gain, if you like, to help make the grip of the car more consistent as the suspension travels and it loads up. So what we've done here, we've basically got a bit of angle iron and a couple of laser pointers bolted to the angle iron's bolted to the hub. The hub is like a reference, a center line, and it's square both sides. So at the moment, we're in the neutral position in the top hole there. We'll turn these lasers on. And as you can see, the lasers are on that center line. Now we'll focus on the front hole, we'll move it up. It stays very, very close to the center line at the front and very, very close to the center line at the back. So that's in its natural toe position. So initially we'll probably start off our first round of testing with that subframe in this position. One thing that we spent a fair bit of time with was to be able to adjust this without triggering a wheel alignment or a toe adjustment, if you like. So what we'll do is we'll just pull this bolt out, we'll drop it down, through it goes like that. We'll turn these lasers back on and we'll have a look. So as you can see, this rested position, the toe hasn't changed. Now we'll lift it up. This time you can see it generating roughly 8 mil over 60 mil of travel. Let's turn this one back on. As you can see at the back travels inwards to the car, so that it's going to give us some toe out. So the best thing about this is we can test the car, we'll test it in neutral, and then we'll come back in, we'll put a set of tyres on it that are the same as far as wear, same tyre pressure, and we'll turn it straight back round again, and we'll see if this has unlocked an improvement. Otherwise, it's time to box it all up and send it south.